Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So obviously it's a get ready with me, so if you want to see how I go from this to this, then stay tuned. Also go and subscribe, like everything, leave your comments. All right, let's just get ready. No, I don't know why I was doing that, but yes, I'm gonna start with the Got to Be spray and eyebrow brush, and I'm gonna use that on my eyebrows. And the reason why I do that is because I've changed the shape of my eyebrows, and to keep them in place, that's what I do. So next, I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil by Manhattan. I always get them from Germany because obviously those who watch my vlogs know that we moved from Germany, and I'm not quite sure they do have it here in the UK. So yes, I always get them from Germany, but I'm just gonna start underlining my eyebrows and fill them out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna dip that into my gel eyeliner by M.A.C. Yes, I had a fight with my camera. I've been trying to focus, but it did not work out. This is a gel eyeliner by M.A.C. I'm just gonna link everything in the description box, guys. Alright, so next I'm gonna take my Camouflage by KRYOLAN. I don't know, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well, but this is the Camouflage I've been always using on my eyebrows ever since I started doing makeup on myself. It's in the color D13, and yes, I'm gonna use that underneath my eyebrows just to smoothen the eyebrows out. Yeah, and I'm also gonna link that in the description box. And I'm also gonna use a concealer at the top of my eyebrows because that's a darker one. This is the concealer by Revolution, and it's in the color C13.5. Alright, so next I'm going to be using the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe, and I am going to dip my brush into the color Yolk, and it's a fluffy brush that I'm going to be blending in to my crease. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in and use the color Ferocious on top of my crease just to have a smooth transition. Next, I'm gonna use my eyeshadow base by P. Louise. I think it's the number 10. No, the other way around. It's the color 01. Yeah, and I'm just gonna add that with an angled brush on my eyelet and cut the crease. Alright, so again we're gonna go into our palette and we're gonna use both colors, smolder and gel together, and just blend into our crease. Here I'm just adding the color Domination, also from the same palette. Also gonna add the color Memorize. Alright, I'm gonna add the color Memorize in addition to the other colors I've already placed on my lid. So yes. Now we're gonna get to the tricky part, which is drawing your perfect wing liner. Yes, I'm really not good in adding eyeliner, but I did it. I did it. Okay, so I'm gonna add the eyeliner on both sides, and this eyeliner is from number 7. I also added a white eyeliner off camera because that was more tricky than anything else, and I added my lashes as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a black pencil from my waterline. The pencil is from Sleek. And next I'm going to be using my foundation from Huda. If maybe some of you might have noticed or might not have noticed, I have become a bit more fair colored. Yes, but I still use the same foundation, but I'm gonna mix that foundation by Huda in the number Hot Fudge with the foundation from Kat Von D's in the number Deep 78. I think I'm going to find that out. And now I'm just going to blend everything together. After blending everything together, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and just blend it out. Okay ladies, apparently there are 2 different shades of the Sacher Buttercup setting powder, which I am not aware of. Please let me know if you know anything about that. I just use the Sacher Buttercup setting powder on my face, bake the face and just dust it off. That's all I do. I don't know anything about the shades because there was no name or any number written at the back. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, take my contour brush, contour my forehead and my cheekbones, my nose, and there's absolutely no product on this brush. I sometimes once in a while dip into a sleek powder. I will find the name of that and then just start contouring, but I don't necessarily put any product on that brush. Yes. Alright, so to top everything up, I'm gonna add a blush, and this blush is by number 7 in the color Plum Velvet. And yes, and in addition to that, I'm gonna take my highlighter brush and use this highlighter. I assume it's from Primark because I've had it for a very long time, but I love this highlighter. It's a great one. I'm just gonna highlight my nose, my cupid's bow and the edge of my eyebrows and my cheekbones. Finally, last, I'm going to set my entire face with the Morphe featuring Jeffree Star setting spray. This has a kind of a fruity flavor. Gonna spray my entire face with that and then I'm ready to go. Okay, not really. I just forgot my lip. I'm gonna be using a black eyeliner by Sleek again to underline my lip. I'm gonna underline the top lip and the bottom lip with the black one, as I said. And then I'm gonna use a nude lip gloss by Real Blue, I think. Gonna find that one out, and that's the finished look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and see you in my next video. Bye.